Hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, where everything is better in cast iron. And today what we're going to be making is cast iron meatloaf. I've got my 12-inch deep skillet here we're going to use first. I've got a trivet that I'm going to use too. Now trivets are interesting because you can actually just lay them on the countertop and put a hot plate or something on top of it, hot skillet or whatever, but they can also be used in the bottom of a skillet or Dutch oven to help raise it up off the bottom of the skillet to keep things from burning, but also to keep, if there's excess grease or whatever, it keeps your dish or your main course up out of the grease, and that's what we're going to do today. So let me get this situated here and we'll show you our ingredients. Okay, what we've got today, we've got about 1 1/3 pounds of ground beef. This is 85/15. I've got 1 egg we're going to be using. I use a little bit of mild sausage. Now this is my mom's recipe actually. I'm going to try to do it as close as I can to her. Got about a half or 3/4 of a white onion chopped. I've got about a half of a green bell pepper. Now Mom didn't ever put bell pepper in hers, but I like bell pepper. And she certainly didn't put jalapeno, so I'm going to put about a half of a jalapeno in there as well. And then I'm going to add some Uncle Steve's, the original shake. I just got this in the mail today, so we're going to give this a try. And then I got another surprise yesterday from some friends of ours. Flour, eggs, and yeast. Cam and Teresa sent me some breadcrumbs, so I'm going to add these in for my binder and put this all together. So let me go ahead and get all this stuff going. We'll get it mixed up and we'll get it in our cast iron skillet. And we've got our oven preheating at 350 degrees. Once we get this together, we're going to add a little bit of tomato sauce. Now some people use, man, I've seen anything and everything on it. I've seen tomato paste, I've seen tomato sauce, I've seen ketchup, I've seen barbecue sauce, all sorts of things to top your meatloaf, but Mom always used tomato sauce, so I'm going to put a little tomato sauce on ours today. So, okay, well, our oven just went off. We've got it preheated, and so I've got my meatloaf all mixed together. We're going to add a little tomato sauce on top of this, just kind of spread this out a little bit. Kind of just brush this on real good. Oh yeah, it looks good right there. Okay. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and place this dude in the oven at 350 degrees. For approximately 1.5 hours, hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes, somewhere along in that range. But anyway, we'll let this cook for a little bit and we'll come back to you and show you what it looks like. Okay, well, we've got our meatloaf out of the oven. I actually cooked it a little bit longer. I cooked it for 1 hour and 40 minutes, and while I was doing that, Teresa wanted some fried green beans, and if you've not seen our fried green bean video, I'll leave that up in the iCard or down in the description where you can check that out. But anyway, I'm going to try to get this meatloaf out of here. Look at that. Wow. Man, that turned out real good. So I'm going to get this sliced up, get a little bit on this plate. Okay, well, we've got her plated up. Got us some meatloaf cut here. Boy, it looks so good. That's done through and through. I brought it up to, about 170 degrees. Got our fried green beans here. So let's give this a little taste here and see what this tastes like. Wow. Cast iron meatloaf. So easy to do in a cast iron skillet. Appreciate you guys watching. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd ask that you subscribe to our channel, and we'll be coming back to you soon again. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you. Bye-bye.